going to want to see the right answers and possibly double check it later. So I'm recording right now. There are the first three. Does anybody need any of them explained? Sarav. Number 12. Okay, yeah, 12. Everybody asks about 12. So what is happening, again, right here? Don't tell me what to do. Tell me what's happening. I have negative x cubed how many times? 4 times, right? So I have negative x cubed times negative x cubed times negative x cubed times negative x cubed. Does everyone agree that that's negative x cubed to the 4th power? Yeah? So is this right here negative x cubed, right? That's going to be a negative number, isn't it? Because negative, negative, negative. This negative is not part of the base, is it? Does everyone agree? So that's going to be a negative number, yes? And that's going to be a negative number, and that's going to be a negative number, and that's going to be a negative number, isn't it? What happens when 2 negatives multiply? Positive. What happens when 2 negatives multiply? What happens when 2 positives multiply? Positive. So negative x to the 12th is the same as x to the 12th. That's why this happened. And this became positive. Is everybody cool? Everybody good? That's why we simplify first. Because if you just plug negative 2 into here, it's really difficult to do, isn't it? Everybody good? And that number, of course, will not show up in your calculator because it's an outrageously gigantic number. That's 2 times 2, 48 times. Everybody good? Actually, I don't think it shows up in your calculator. I don't remember. Yeah, it's like 2 quadrillion. So don't worry about it. Everybody cool? All right. So let's slide down a little further here. 2.6 was number 14. Is everybody okay with them? Yeah? All right. And here are the right answers here. They're all highlighted in yellow. Please check your work. If you need anything explained, please ask. Of course, if nobody asks, I assume everybody knows what they are doing and I move on. If you do not wish to ask in class, you need to come and see me at lunches, after schools, X blocks, things like that. Everybody good? Sukpal. Pardon? Which C? 1C or 2C? This one? Yes. Okay, so that is x to the 3 halves, right? Because that's supposed to be a 2. There's the 3, right? Times x to the 2/5. Yes? Right? So when I multiply them, are they the same base? X and x? So what do I do with the exponents? Add them. 3 over 2 plus 2 over 5. What's my common denominator? 10. So that was times 5. So that's 15. That was times 2. So that's 4. 15 plus 4 is 19 over 10. So it's x to the 19 over 10, right? And then the 10 becomes the index, the 19 becomes the power. Good? Okay. Anything else? Going once? Going twice? Going thrice. Lovely. And there is the third one. This is all just explanation for another class, so let's get rid of that. There are the answers. Everyone is good? Everybody did that properly without cheating? Didn't use your calculator? I see at least 3 people going, which is the face that says I'm guilty and used a calculator. But that's okay. As long as you understand the concept. Everyone is good? Going once, twice, thrice. Excellent. And I asked you guys to do up to page 18. There's 17. One of them got through without a highlighting. Once again, do not bother trying to copy all these down. They are going to be on YouTube. If you didn't do it, just accept you didn't do it and check them later. I don't want to wait the whole class while you copy down stuff that was already supposed to be done. The answer for F. Oh, there is no answer for F. You're right. So it is 3/4. I. Yes. Okay. So, can everybody see it? Or they have it in the sheet in front of them? What does the negative exponent do to its base? Flips it over. So this is really 27 over 8 to what exponent? 2/3. Because the negative becomes positive once we flip it, right? So that is the cube root of 27 to what power? Squared. Over the cube root of 8 to what power? 2 again. What is the cube root of 27? 3 squared. 9. What's the cube root of 8? 2. 2 squared. 4. Got it? Luke. Where? Right here, this? Okay, the 3 became the index, cube root, and the 2 becomes the power. Got it? Okay, everybody good? Libaniel. H. 1/16, this one? Okay, so you had negative 1 over 32 to the 0.8, correct? 0.8 is a decimal. We can't deal with decimals, so what do? Change it to a fraction. What is 0.8? That's 8 over 10, isn't it? Which, if you remember grade 5, is 4/5, yes? So it's 1 over negative 32 to the 4/5. The 5/5 root of 1 to the 4th power. What's the 5th root of 1? 1, because 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is still 1, right? And then what's that to the 4th power? 1 again. So 1 is our numerator, right? Then I need the 5th root of negative 32 to the 4th power. What's the 5th root of 32? 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Was that 5 2s? Let's say it was. It's 2, right? So it's negative 2, and then I need negative 2 to the 4th power. Is the negative part of the base? It's in brackets. So it's negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. 4 negatives make a positive. 2 to the 4th is 16. Good, Labaniel? Okay. Everybody good? Okay. And page 18. Oh, no! The answers aren't on page 18. Son of a motherless goat. I don't want to work those out. Okay, I'll do them later when you guys are working today, and then I'll put them on the end of the YouTube video. So you can go back and check them. Okay? Everybody good with that? Yeah? I just don't want to waste class time, note time on that. Everyone's good? Okay. Let us carry on then, cabbages. Oh, I did one of them apparently. Oh, you weren't supposed to see that. Okay. Actually, it ends up working out fairly well. So what I'll do is I'll do this page right now while you guys do the multiple choice stuff that starts on the next page. It's all multiple choice. So everybody just told me they knew what they were doing and they didn't need any more instruction. So you start on page 19 and work up to 24. It's all multiple choice. Okay? You do that. I'll do these questions. I'll tack them on to the YouTube. You'll see it. And then we'll carry on in a moment. Everybody good with that? Go. You can move around. You can talk to each other. Eight. If you need assistance, what is the order of business? Where do you check first? Your notes. Where do you check second? Each other. Where do you check third? Me. Okay? Go. Diddly-o. I wonder if I have these written in hard copy. Do I? Did I do my homework? Or am I as bad as a teenage kid? We'll soon find out, Adina. When I turn this page, I'm going to know. What do you think? Ah! Son of a bee! Come on, Mr. Myers. Maybe in this sheet. Maybe over in this section of the binder. Come on. Oh, is that it? I did my homework. I just put it in a different spot. Score. All this in brains too. I know. Stop it. Just stop it. Oh, okay. All right.
How do you know it's negative? Because it's out. It's not a blanket. How do you know it's a negative 5? Because it's not a blanket. So how do you know?
No, it's 5.
Yeah. Why? I have no idea. I'll tell you about this one.
There's the base here.
But it says whatever to the left. It says
Yeah, but times the coefficient.
explain to me how.
I don't know. I just learned it.
I like you guys. Explain to me how. I don't know how.
Yeah, I learned it and I don't know.
Yes, Adina. Yeah. Oh, that reminds me. I got to check names. Adina, Sarab, Priyanka, Max, Sophie, Antonio, Alicia, Navleen, Labaniel. Who back there?
I'm not.
Who did? Oh, Cole. Navjot, Arsh, Luke, Akshay, HJ, Hannah, Priyanka, Megan, Nunez, Sonia, Burke, Jeffrey, Josh, Superman, Julia, John, Amrit, Kiara, and Paul. Score.
But you have to think of a way to explain it.
I'm not a teacher.
No, I didn't. These two are making me laugh. These two. I work today too. It's the worst. And I've worked every day of my life since I was 15. It's the worst. And then I had kids, and even your days off are work. That's a badass question. Yes.
Could I use your calculator?
Please do.
Thank you.
You don't know.
Yeah, I just do it.
The answer's negative 8. But there's no negative 8. How do you answer it if you don't know?
Yeah, I just. Just do it. I just.
Like to volunteer an answer for A. I mean, not A, 1. The answer is not A. It is indeed C. Excellent. Yay. Who would like to give me an answer for 2? B. Who would like to give me an answer for 3? D. Who would like to give me an answer for 4? E. Who would like to give me an answer for 5? C. And who would like to give me an answer for 6? B. Now, somebody right now always says, but Mr. Myers, 2x squared times 2x to the third is 4x to the fifth. Why isn't this 8? Why? Because I heard some people say C because they went 2 times 2 times 2. Why? What is this really? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 5 of them, yes? What is this really? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 6 of them, right? What is this really? 2 squared. So there's 13 2's. Why is this different? What is this really? 2xx, isn't it? And what is this really? 2xxx, naughty. How many 2's are there? Now, 2 of them, so it's 2 squared, 4. How many x's are there now? 5, so it's 4x fifth. That's why this 2 is not a base. But these 2's are bases. Does everybody understand the difference? Excellent. Can we carry on? Did people get past number 6 in all that time? Score. Okay. Now, who would like to give me an answer for number 7? E. For the reason I just explained to you. This is 24 eighths. This is 4 eighths. 4 of those 24 disappear, leaving you with 20 of them. Number 8. Who would like to give me an answer for number 8? 8. C. Number 9. C. Number 10. E. Does anybody need that explained? Okay. Are negative exponents allowed? No, so it has to go down to the denominator. Is 5 and 4 the same base? So can we do anything with them? No. Exponent laws only work when we have the same base. So we have to leave it. Number 11. A. And number 12 to finish the second page of this. A. Is everybody up to 12? Or anybody past 12? Did you finish the third page, or are we on the third page? Some people have finished the third page. Okay, we're going to do 13 to 17 in 3 minutes. So work hard to make sure 13 to 17 is done in the next 3 minutes. Excuse me. The weirdest thing happened yesterday, Dean. I was walking along with my kid in Vancouver to his audition, and my leg was hurting, and I sat down and had a coffee. Then I got up, and I started to walk, and my leg stopped hurting. But then, we sat down in the audition, we got up, and my leg was hurting again. But for like that 20 minutes, it was like I wasn't hurt at all. I was walking down it. It's the weirdest thing. You know what this tells you? Getting old sucks. That's what this tells you. Yeah, I do. One of my knees is all. Do number 13. Who's going to give me an answer to 13? 1-3. Lucky 13. Who's feeling good? Who's feeling like a winner? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Number 13. D? Oh. No, it is D. I'm kidding you. What's 14? 14? D as in doornail. 15. 15. A. Do you need that explained? Okay. A negative exponent does what? A negative exponent does what? Becomes 1 over 5 to the third, right? That's 1/125th. That's a pretty tiny fraction. Right? Okay. 16. 16 is C, as in Cucamonga. And 17 is D. Does anybody need that one explained? Going once, going twice, going thrice. Okay, Sukbal. That 3 goes where? It distributes to what? Everything, right? So is that 2 part of the base? Yes. What is 2 cubed? 8. 4 cubed. So that's x to the 4th 3 times, right? X to the 12th. And y to the 15th. D. Okay? Can we go on? Are people done the 4th page, page 22? No? Okay. It is 10:43. We got plenty of time still. 3 minutes. I'm marking the 4th page. And Adina, to finish that story, we're actually best friends now. My current wife, was the maid of honor at her wedding, and I was the MC. We were just better friends than girlfriends. And also because she grew up with soft bases too. Sophie, I'm purposely walking over here to help you. I know, I'll stop. I mean, dolphins aren't even porpoises. They're different animals. Yeah, I know. I was noticing that. I was doing this in line. And then that's taller. How come you guys keep surrounded? What do? Did you forget the secret handshake or something? Something? Okay. How are we doing back here? I like how you carry double barrel items for just such crazy good stuff. The numerator of the fraction in an exponent is the power. The denominator is the index.
So I do this, so I know what.
How are we doing back here?
I didn't get
Huh? Good. You're not good. You're not good, but you're good. Okay. How are we over here? Josh? Excellent. John? Yes, excellent. Chupin, excellent. Yes, well done. Ladies in the front. Excellent. Yes. Okay. So, what do we have negative over here? What should we do with that? Flip it over. Okay, so let's flip it over. So 2 cubed is what? 8 y cubed over 4x squared, yes? And all that is now squared, right? It's 8 squared. 4y to what's 100. And what's 4 squared? 16. X to the 4. Can I do anything with the exponent? 64 divided by 16. 4 y 6. All right, number 18. Who's doing number 18? 18, waiting for an 18. B, as in boom. As in here comes the. I hate Kevin James. It's not his fault. I just hate him. It's not fair, man. I'm fat. I'm funny. Why can't I be on television? I at least could act in a different kind of role. He's been the same character forever. Has he ever done anything other than fat, dumb, and stupid? No. Same show. He gets a whole second show. Kevin Can Wait. And all it is King of Queens without the old guy. He's still got a wife that's too hot for him and puts up with his crap when everybody else would have left, right? It's just not fair. I'm funny. 30 of you laugh at me all day. I'm not on TV. 19 is B. Does anybody need that explained? Okay, what's 5 times negative 4? X to the negative 20 over x to the negative 9, yes? What's negative 20 minus minus 9? X to the negative 11. Negative exponents aren't allowed, down to the denominator. 20. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. C. Cucamonga. 21. 21, 21, 21 is A. I heard somebody say it. 22, 22, 22. E as in X. Excellent. We will release the hounds. And the bell will be ringing. We got a bit of time. When does the bell ring? I never remember. I think it's 10:56 this year. 22 was E. Did you need to talk about it or are you good? Okay. Yes. 20 was C. Did you want to talk about it or are you good? Or you want to look at it and then decide if you want to talk about it? Okay.
Mr. Myers, can you
Yes,
set
Garrett.
up mine and Luke's calculators?
To do what? What is our end game here? What are we trying to do?
Mine says like M on it, and this guy says none on it, and then when I click this, it does that. But before, it used to just have like a little square there.
Yeah, because that's squaring something. So 9 squared. 9 squared, close the bracket, equals 81.
Okay, so it's still the same thing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because it used to say like there's like an S there before.
Yeah. No, you're fine. I don't... You're both... You just have different models of the same calculator. One is a little bit newer or older. Right? Because you have math and D. You just have something stored in your memory. And getting rid of memory... There? No. Getting rid of memory. I mean, it doesn't matter. It's just somewhere in your calculator's remembering a number for you. I just don't know how to erase on your calculator.
But both of these are good though?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You'll need something graphing for later, but I have them to lend to you as well. Okay, ladies and gentle people. Class. I'm going to just finish the video here. I'm going to turn off the screen. I'm going to fill in all the rest of the answers from 23 to 36, and you can mark your work at home. Okay? Please make sure you take a moment and do so. Also remember that page 18 or whatever it was has the answers now you can check. Tomorrow when you come in, I will say at the beginning of class, does anybody have a question about page 18 or numbers 23 to 36? And all of you will either say, I do, and tell me which one it is, or you will say, no, Myers, we got this thing. And then if I were to give you a quiz, you would all get 100% on it. Yes? No, we're not having a quiz tomorrow, John. I'm just saying if we were to have a quiz tomorrow and nobody asked me about any of those questions, then I would know that you were all 100% on them and you knew what you were doing. Wah, 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 wah. Hey, is number 23 C? I wrote out my key, but I forgot to put numbers with it. 23. No, I'm asking you what you have for it, Megan. You have E. Well, now I got to do the math. Okay, I'm going to assume that's right. Yes.
Yes.